Hi guys, I hope you all are doing great and taking good care of yourselves. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can just go ahead and set up your projector very quickly. It does not take much and it's very straightforward and simple. So before I explain anything further, please hit the subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed yet, and if you already have, please hit the bell icon. So the way one would go about setting up a projector is pretty straightforward and simple. The wire that one would receive along with the projector, one will need to connect that on the port provided behind the projector. That is, this part will be going behind the projector over here. You see this part? It goes in over here. Yeah, see that it's tightly pushed in. Okay, now you see these ports over here. Although this projector is a smart projector and comes with a built-in Android system which will let you typically play content from all the OTT platforms like your Netflix, your YouTube, Amazon Prime, etc. And this is a smart projector. What I'm going to anyways do is also externally I'm going to attach my Mi box, which is this Android box, to the projector, just so that I'm very sure that the content that I'm going to get from here, which is now this particular box is officially partnered with, I believe, Google, so it provides full HD content on Amazon Prime and your Netflix and all of these other OTT platforms. So I'm going to quickly go ahead and hook this thing up. What you will be doing is you will be connecting one end of this HDMI port into your Mi box like this, and the other end of the wire into your HDMI port over here. You see this port over here? You connect it over here. Connect the HDMI in over here, and that is all what it is. Now all what you would need to do is you will need to plug this wire into the socket and turn this button on. Okay, and I will show it to you how I have gone ahead and where I have placed the projector. The projector will be placed like this, so the light will be coming out from here and it will be projecting it on the wall. You would typically need a distance of minimum, I believe, 6 to 7 feet for a decent good size. And then what you will need to do is you will need to adjust the focus from one of these rings, focus and the keystone. That is how your wall is. Keystoning is basically, if your wall is something like, see, if it's projecting on the wall like this and it's at an angle, what you need to do is you can adjust utilizing the keystone on the wall like this, so you get a proper rectangular shape onto the wall. That's what you would be doing. You would need a proper rectangular shape on the wall, because it can happen that you have placed the projector at an angle and the shape that you're getting on the wall may not necessarily be a rectangle. It might be a little distorted, something like this or something like this. So you can just ensure with one of these rings on the side that you get a proper rectangle onto the wall. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to now quickly fix this thing into the socket and also put the projector in its place and show you the results. So yes, this is what the screen size looks like. This is what I've adjusted on the screen. You can see, I'll reduce the sound. This is what it looks like. Now you can see the lower part is where my bed is, which is roughly around 5 feet, and you can see the screen size compared to that. So this is how you would set up a projector typically. What I've done is, as you can see, I have put it up over here and it is projecting it from here onto the screen over here. Yeah, so guys, that was my video on letting you know how you can go ahead and set up the projector quickly in barely a matter of 10 minutes. So if you guys like the video, please hit the like button, and thank you so much and take care.